Soon Yul Kang's works are concerned with meditation, healing, and time. They portray a balance derived from Eastern thought of Yin and Yang and the Zen understanding of simplicity, stillness, and repetition. Focusing on the repetitive physical process of weaving by means of contemplation through a simple but subtle image. Such cultural elements are an important factor to Soon Yul's work and is recognisable in her practice. Over the years, Soon Yul has explored several mediums such as installation, photography, and paper collage. Recently, she has started weaving with traditional handmade Korean mulberry paper, Hanji. Process involves writing a word with brush on paper, then cutting the paper for weaving. The inspiration for this tapestry was motivated by the alphabet of Korean letter, which consists of sky, earth, and mankind. These three geometric shapes are applied within the tapestry. Thus, paper is an intrinsic part of this tapestry in Heallreaf 4. Paper tufts integrated directly into the weave.